Want to manage your Gmail inbox quickly and easily? We are here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the Select All and Multi-Select options on Gmail, both on the desktop site and mobile app. Now let's get started. To use the Select All tool on the Gmail desktop site, go to mail.google.com and log into your account. Then click the mailbox you want to manage in the menu on the left. This could be your inbox, spam, or another folder. Then click the checkbox in the menu at the top to select everything on that page. If you only want to select a specific type of email, click the downwards arrow beside the checkbox. This will open a menu allowing you to pick which emails you want to select: all, none, read emails, unread emails, starred emails, or unstarred emails. Click the option for the type of emails you want to select. If there are only a few specific emails you want to select, you can also simply click the checkbox on the left side of the emails you want selected. After you've made your selection, you'll see some additional options that appear, including archive, report spam, delete, mark as unread, snooze, add to tasks, move to, and labels. If you click the three dots on the right, you can access a menu of additional options, including mark as read, mark as important, mark as unimportant, add star, filter messages like these, mute, and forward as attachment. Click on the function you want to use for the selected emails. The Gmail mobile app currently does not have a Select All option, but you can select multiple items at once to help you manage your mailboxes more easily. To select multiple emails on the Gmail mobile app, open Gmail and go to the mail folder you want to manage. You can tap the menu icon in the top left corner to reveal your list of mail folders. To select a single email, hold down the email you want to select. You can then select additional emails by tapping the circle icon beside each email you want to select. Then you'll have the option to archive or delete those emails or mark them as unread. If you tap the three dots in the top right corner, you'll have additional options to move these emails to another folder, snooze, change labels, add star, mark important, mute, or report spam. Select the function you want to use for the selected emails. That's all it takes to select all or select multiple emails in Gmail on the desktop site and the mobile app. To learn more about using Gmail, check out our playlist of Gmail tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.